I just got this ULIBERMAGNET coat rack in black. It was sent to me for a review, but these are my own opinions. It comes fully assembled. You just pull it out of the little pouch and go. It is almost 10 inches long, a little over an inch tall. The magnets on the back are coated with rubber so they don't scratch your surfaces, which is nice. I like how it's got this kind of modern look to it. I like the rounded hooks. I decided to put this in my laundry room because it's on my way in from the garage. I love how solid that sounds going on. And you can adjust it, but you can tell it's on there really solidly. I'm gonna hang my son's hoodie on it and you can see it's just not budging. That is really on there. You can pull it off if you want, but it's definitely got a nice solid feel to it. Listen. I probably wouldn't hang anything too heavy on it, but definitely clothes, jewelry, keys, reusable grocery bags. I think it's great for an apartment where you don't want to drill holes, but let's face it, even if you're a homeowner who wants to drill holes, very useful. I like it.